In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a video into your Klaviyo email template. If you're looking to enhance your email campaigns with engaging video content, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to add that dynamic visual element to your marketing emails, making them more impactful and engaging for your recipients. Let's start by navigating to Klaviyo, your go-to platform for email marketing. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Klaviyo website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Klaviyo, you may need to set up an account. Otherwise, just sign in and you'll be ready to go. After successfully logging in, the next step is to access your templates. These templates are essentially pre-designed layouts for your emails, which you can customize to fit your brand and message. In the dashboard, you'll notice a Templates option. Click on it to view all the templates you have created or to start fresh with a new one. Select the email template that you want to modify or the one where you wish to add your video content. Now with your template open, it's time to add the video. Klaviyo makes this straightforward even if you don't consider yourself a tech expert. Look for the Content Block section within the template editor. Here you'll find a variety of drag and drop elements to choose from. Among these options is the Video block. Click on it, hold, and then drag this block to your desired location in the email template. This flexibility allows you to determine exactly where in the email the video should be placed for maximum impact. With the video block now in place, the next step is to upload your video file. This is a crucial step as it's where your email comes to life visually. Ensure your video is saved in a supported format and ready for upload. Within the video block, you will see an option to upload your video file. Click on it and select your video from your computer. The system will prompt you to choose a thumbnail or preview image that will be displayed in the email, inviting your recipients to click and view. Once your video is uploaded and saved within the template, you'll see how it seamlessly integrates into the email design. Take a moment to review the entire template to ensure everything aligns with your campaign objectives. From imagery to textual elements, it's essential that your email remains cohesive and visually appealing. And with that, you're done. Go ahead and preview your email to see how it will appear in the inboxes of your recipients. Make any necessary adjustments to the placement or size of your video within the template if needed. When you're satisfied with the final look, you'll be all set to launch an engaging email campaign that effectively captures and retains your audience's attention. By adding video to your Klaviyo email templates, you're leveraging a powerful tool to boost engagement and enhance communication with your subscribers. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy emailing!